On this wonderful day of April 14th, I would like to extend my heartfelt greetings to all, wishing you a very happy Sinhala and Tamil New Year. This is a time for us to celebrate the richness of Sri Lankan culture and traditions, and to come together with our families and friends. Let us embrace the spirit of unity and harmony, and let go of any negativity from the past year. May this new year bring you joy, prosperity, and success in all your endeavors. As we indulge in the sweet treats and festivities, let us also remember the importance of setting goals and making positive changes for the future. Once again, happy Sinhala and Tamil New Year to you all. So, let's go to the video. Today's topic is Bing Wallpapers for everyone. Bing offers a daily changing collection of stunning wallpapers for desktop and mobile devices. With a wide range of subjects, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Customize your device's background and never get bored with Bing's dynamic selection. Let's begin.